what about Burlington, Pete? Now, you and I, before the show started, joked a little bit about, that these
It's true.
stores, yeah, it's true. These stores are crap. I mean, I like that they're out there and that they're a competitor to the likes of TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and so forth. But my gosh, I am not a huge fan of these stores. But it's up 15% today, Pete. And the only reason I could figure out why it was up, because all their numbers were terrible. But the CEO said, I'm not going to take it anymore.
He's mad as hell, and he's not going to take it anymore.
That's
One of
right.
the greats of all time. Well, John, when I look at this one, it's really amazing to try to even figure out anything I can take away positive. First of all, like you and I said, the experience there is about as crap as it can get, and I'm trying to clean it up to say it like that. I mean, you walk into this gigantic, building, and it's terrible, and what you find is pretty awful. So I'm not surprised at all that they continue to kind of have these issues where they're reporting misses for their earnings. I think it's 3 of the last 4. But, without bashing them any more than I already have, they did say they're upbeat about 2023, John. Now, they didn't say why. They just said they're upbeat. It's like, well, that's freaking fantastic. So your stock's down 50% on the year already, and you just put up another crap quarter, and all you can come up with is it's going to be brighter in 23. I don't know. I'm not part of that one, and I'm not touching this. I think it's
Yeah.
garbage.